Have you been considering a neck lift? So here are what are the options that's available at Tamira. If you have a significant skin laxity, that is, you have so much of loose skin with what we call platysmal bands, you have bands in the front and in the side, then the best fix would be a surgical neck lift. However, if you have not so much of excess skin with minimal fat, we have a new technology that has been introduced which is called EndoLift 1470 nanometer laser, which can just go below your skin and can tighten your entire skin by collagen remodelization, as well as if you have submental fat, little bit of fat, and this fat can be actually lysed or coagulated using the same EndoLift. And in addition to this platysmal band, we use body wired from Aptos to actually release these body wires, and we combine all of these technologies. So at Tamira we have all the latest technology, so we can combine an endo laser, some body wires, and give you a good neck lift without surgery if you do not have that significant excess skin. However, if there is a significant fat, we do what is called an RF assisted liposuction. So for minimal fat we use endo laser, but when you have moderate or more fat in the lower face, then we do RFAL, radio frequency assisted liposuction, by which we remove the fat and tighten the skin simultaneously to just 3 holes. We put a small hole below your chin and 2 small holes behind your ears, and that will remove the fat and tighten your skin. So at Tamira we have all the technology. So where surgery is needed, we do surgery. Where surgery is not needed, we have all the technology that can give you the perfect result.